Hi everyone, I'm going to give a walkthrough of the Rocket Alumni Solutions touchscreen platform. To start, there are many different homepage layouts which you can choose from. And we'll click in here. You can have as many folders as you'd like. You can name them anything you want. You can even put folders within other folders, combine them, move them around. We'll start with the Hall of Fame layout here. You've got your profiles. We'll click into one, Tom Brady. You can have as much content as you'd like about them, descriptions, additional information, including videos. We support YouTube, Vimeo, Huddle, etc. And now we'll click into yearbooks. This is one example with various types of flip books where you get that nice interactive experience scrolling through. These are all searchable as well, so you can search by names, by faces, etc. Now let's go into another one of our many different layout options, which is records. We'll go into football. I'll close this sidebar. And let's do passing records. This is all auto ranking, searchable, filterable, and really easy for coaches to update. This is just the start of the Rocket Alumni Solutions platform. Ultimately, it just works. It works on every touchscreen device, any size, any orientation, and it's always made to look good, of course. Thanks, reach out with any questions, and excited to keep the conversation going.